Are you tired of jumping between a dozen different apps just to create one piece of content? Well, today we are putting 3 heavy-hitting AI creative tools head to head. Whether you need full cinematic video, precise photo manipulation, or wild character blending, one of these platforms is going to completely change your workflow. Let's find out which one. So here we are. This is Artlist.io, and this is the ultimate all-in-one ecosystem built specifically for video creators and production teams. Instead of just generating single assets, it offers a unified workspace to handle entire projects from scratch. And the first here is this complete AI toolkit. Now, this features everything from cinematic text to video and image to video models to high fidelity AI image generation. We can then move over to the studio grade audio. So this offers advanced AI voiceovers in over 70 languages. And as you can see here, this is including voice cloning and speech-to-speech capabilities alongside AI-powered sound effects. This also has smart editing workflow, so this will drastically cut down your post-production time with tools like auto scene detection, AI color grading, and auto captioning. And last but not least, we have this massive integration. This massive integration, it seamlessly combines its cutting-edge AI generation with this industry-leading catalog of royalty-free music. And we've also got all of this free stock footage, video, templates, and music. Next, we have Rev.art. This is a powerhouse for precision-based image generation and highly controlled image-to-image transformation. What this does, it solves the common AI problem of losing the subject when making edits. What we have here is an unmatched prompt adherence. This understands complex natural language prompts incredibly well, ensuring your outputs actually match your exact description. We also have flawless typography. So unlike many models that struggle with text, Rev.art produces clean, readable typography directly inside the images. So this is perfect for logos or posters and product mockups. And then we have advanced image editing. Now this allows you to change outfits and swap backgrounds or restyle an entire image while strictly maintaining the original subject's pose, facial structure, and lighting. So as you can see with this girl here, everything stays the same, but the only things which are changing are the earrings. And then we have the scene consistency. Now this gives you this granular control over elements like seed values, so you can create multiple assets with a stable, cohesive look across the board. And now we move on to Artbreeder. Now Artbreeder takes a completely different, highly collaborative approach to AI generation. It acts as a massive digital playground, so it's focused on breeding and mutating visual concepts. So it has this unique breeding mechanism, and we're using tools like the splicer. And the splicer can literally mix multiple parent images together to create an entirely new, unexpected offspring. And then what we can do with that, you have this granular gene control. And this granular gene control, this allows you to fine-tune specific traits of an image, such as age, gender, facial structure, or color balance. And we do this simply by using the sliders here. So on this young lady here, we push the slider to the right, and that increases her age. So an old lady, and then more to the right, she becomes more masculine, and to the left becomes more feminine. And then here, the background blue, it gets more of a blue hue, and then we come back down to the pink. So this is also a multi-tool workspace. So it features distinct creation models like the Composer for mixing text and images. And we do this in the Collager, but for assembling shapes and visual elements like this here. So we have this visual element that looks like a little mini camera, and we can just, move it around, mix it up, change the background while keeping all of this camera in the front foreground. Now, one of the standout features on Artbreeder is the open collaborative library. Now, every creation is public by default. So that means that you can constantly pull inspiration from and build upon and remix artwork generated by the massive Artbreeder community. It's right down here. So we come into the community and you can select any of the artwork created and uploaded by the community. And then you can just work upon that. You can add on it. You can take things away. So it looks like that art list is the clear winner if you need a bit of everything for video production, while RevArt is the go-to for modifying existing photos, and Artbreeder dominates in unique character concept generation. Artbreeder's open community approach lets you constantly build off other artists' creations, whereas Artlist and RevArt are built primarily for solo professional grade content production. So we've got an all-in-one powerhouse for video production, a precision text-based photo editor, and an absolute playground for character blending. Which workflow fits your creative style best? The choice really comes down to what you're building next. Drop your favorite in the comments and let me know which one you're testing out today. And don't forget, tap the like, put a comment below, and hit subscribe.